Okay, so we're starting this room tour at the door. So right on the back of my front door, I have my bathrobe right there hanging. And then I have my little photo corner. So I love taking Polaroids. And then I have some more film photos that I got online from CVS. I got them developed. And then I have my little art kind of a corner. It's like stuff I've painted, things I've sketched and made in the past. So on my photo corner, I have string lights as well. They are from Target. They are just these like paper lantern. I have this white shelf here, and it's just a simple 3-tier white shelf. So on the bottom row, I have like stuffed toys, because I love stuffed toys. The second row here, I have some jewelry. And then this first shelf is kind of weird. So on the right, I have a picture of me and our old family friends, and then I have this little shrine. If you guys know BTS, y'all will know what this is, but yeah, it's just my favorite K-pop group basically. And then on the top, I just have some few decorational things. I have this bag from Sephora that I got, which I thought just looked cute, so I kept it. I have a body spray from Bath & Body Works, and this is one of my favorite ones. It's the French lavender and honey one. And then I have my Chanel perfume that I use every day. And then on the side here, I have my iPhone charger, and then I have this little container, and it has a bunch of stuff like saline nasal spray, eye allergy relief. Your girl is dry and has a lot of allergies, so as soon as I wake up, my eyes are like freaking Sahara Desert, so I gotta put some eye drops in. So that's like right next to me. I'm out of breath. So next to my bed, I have this dream catcher, this photo strip thingy of my best friend, and I just, because I didn't have anywhere else to put it, didn't fit on my photo corner, and I'm very OCD, so like it's very organized in a certain way, and this one is different because it's a strip, so I was just like, I'll just put it there. Here I have my body chain. The thing is, it gets tangled really easily. Like, it's one of the worst things ever, and it takes like 10 hours to untangle it. So I just hung it up here. It kind of looks cool too, so. And then this is my bed. So I use a silk pillow to sleep. It's just a silk pillowcase, but it's good for hair and stuff, and for skin as well. And then I have this, which is the body pillow I used to sleep with, and this is my armchair like rest pillow, and this is a lifesaver. If you guys don't have this in your room, you should definitely have one. I think this sheet set is from Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. So on my bed, I have this like purple blanket. It's like a wool, like a sheep wool. It's from Nordstrom, and my friend got it for me. I can't sleep without it. It's like the softest thing. And then the only thing I have on this wall is this BT21 bag I got. So my curtains, I think they came when we moved here. It came like the little girl who was living in this room. That sounds so creepy, oh my god. We got this from Target. Then I have my airplane pillow thingy. It's actually really good for like neck support when I'm like reading, so I have that. And then I have this little, I don't know, decor pillow. Yeah, I think it came with a set with that neon body pillow thing that I got it. Honestly, my room is definitely not how I would like it to look. I usually don't have anything right here, but right now I have my carry-on luggage and some clothes for that Texas trip I'm going on with Dote, and it's actually coming up really quickly. I'm filming this on Sunday, and it will be next Saturday, so it's in less than a week. So that's just my carry-on luggage for that and me packing for that. So right by the window, I have my huge shelf, and it's just this big brown shelf. I had this when I was in Chicago, so I have no idea where it's from. I'm guessing like IKEA or something. Actually, this doesn't look like IKEA. So on the first shelf of this, I have some old perfume bottles that I thought were cute. Like that's the Justin Bieber one when I was a Belieber. And then the One Direction perfumes. And then I have some random bottles from like places I've been to that I've collected over the years just because I think they're cute. On the second shelf, I have my skincare stuff. Usually I would keep this stuff in my bathroom, but my brother is in high school and he uses all my shit, and it really bothers me because I'm super OCD. I have a crap ton of books. These are like all of my favorite books. Peep the 50 Shades. I've never read these. I just got them off of Amazon. Like, actually not just, I got them over summer, but then I had my internship, so I didn't end up reading them. But I've started to read them. They're okay, they're cool. I just wanted to read them because, I don't know, everyone talks about it, so yeah. A lot of this is gone because I packed it for my trip this weekend already, since I don't wear makeup during the week to school. So a lot of this is gone, but yeah, this is like the makeup I have right now. And then this is my mirror, and that's me. On the last level of my shelf, I have just some random items, to be honest. And this is my gym backpack. It's just really tiny. It's from Target. And it's like that puffy coat material. So I just have like water and my hat, my Fitbit, my Beats, headphones, fitness pass, and my wallet as well. So I have this moon thingy right next to this brown shelf. This I painted in Mexico the last time I went. And then I have this Gone to the Beach, Monterey, California sign from when I went to Monterey to visit. So this is my little family photo collage thing I have. And then I have this little gold and black lamp that I also got for my dorm my first year of college from Target. I have a mini heater because my parents keep the house so cold and I can't stand it, even though I'm wearing freaking fuzzy socks right now. But yeah, so a little personal heater, a candle that I like. This one's a bamboo candle. Pens and pencils, rulers, just in a little glass thingy. And then I have my laptop case I take to school, my little notepad, my iPhone cord soft. If you know what that is, comment down below. My reading glasses that I use, tissues, big 32-ounce bottle. And then this thingy has like random stuff like the glasses cleaner thingy, dark chocolate because I love some dark chocolate, Taco Bell sauce, and then some mints. And then I have my laptop right over here. Underneath my desk I have a trash can, and then I have my school backpack. And this is my chair. And then I have this guitar. I do play guitar. I don't play this that often anymore though, because I'm in college now and I'm busy. So I have my guitar and capo right there. And then the rest of my self-toy family. This wall mirror is my closet. From standing at my window, this is how my room looks. And I have like a slanted wall at the top, if you see, so it kind of goes like that. And my bed, a photo corner, and then that's my door. Hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.